Alright. This is a typical problem when you live in the country. Sometimes, where did you go? Oh, there you go. Close that door. Sometimes you get a bird in your house. Come on, buddy. Let me get you out of here. Don't poop on my deer. Don't poop on my deer. Come on. Come on. Whoop! Dad, gimme. Up. Get down there. Come on. Get down there. Hup. Get it. Whoop. There you go. Oh, there you go. Oh, did I get him? Oh. Get out from there. Get out here. Whoop. Whoop. Try to do this without hurting him. Poor little thing's stressed out. Oh. Oh! Crap. Come on now. Trying to get you back outside, Bubba. Come on. Oh. Oh no, get off my duck now. You can't get on my duck. Don't mess my duck up. Hush, Biscuit. Dude, come on. Come on. Get off there. Come on. Oh. Dad darn it. There's so much stuff in here I can't. Poor thing about stressed out, I imagine. Come on. Get out of there. Come on. Let me get you out of here. Come on. Come on. Get off that horn. I can't catch you on there. My net. Come on, buddy. Come on, man. I know you're getting tired. I'm trying to get you out of here. You just... No, get off. No, get off. No, get off my duck. Oh, where'd you go? Oh, hey. Oh. Come on, man. I'm trying to get you out of here. Oh, come on now. Stay. Okay. All right, guys. Let me let him out.